How to view recent transactions on Discover Bank online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to keep track of your spending, well here is how to view recent transactions on Discover Bank online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here once on the search result, just click on the first link, and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now, here you simply have to log in with your account, and once logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard showing all your linked accounts. So, there you can click on the account you want to check, like checkings, savings, or credit card, to open the account details, and from there, you can scroll down to the recent transaction section to see all deposits, withdrawals, and purchases. So there you can click on any transaction to see more details, including date, merchant name, and the amount. And there you can use filters to sort transactions by date, type, or amount for easier tracking. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.